Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. It's time to do unbox the Vivo Y18, and guys, and this is a new budget phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around only 34,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 4 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and this phone also has a extended RAM feature. On the back, we have a 50 megapixel main camera. We also have a high brightness display on this phone. We also have 5000 mAh battery size. With fast charging, we have 18 watt, I believe, and the color I have is the Wave Aqua color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And I would say, in the price of the Vivo, it is really decent, I would say. Also, this phone is powered by Helio G85 SoC, which is a really normal SoC in this price range. So now let's quickly remove the plastic with my knife. And this phone also available in other colors. So you can see here is the box of the Vivo Y18, and now let's open this box. So on the top we have our device, Vivo Y18. Now let's out the phone from this box, and guys, you can see here is the Wave Aqua color looks like. I gotta say, this phone looks really beautiful. On the back we have a matte finish. Also on the back we have a pattern which looks really beautiful, I would say. Although the packet is made up of plastic, on the back we have a dual cameras. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed on the front. And now let's see what else we get. And then the phone, and the first thing, we have a soft silicone case, which is a good thing. Also we have a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, and here's our charger. And guys, and this is a 15 watt super fast charger, so we don't have any 18 watt super fast charging. Instead we have a 15 watt adapter inside the box. I don't know why, we should have 18 watt. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, so no hand free inside the box. And lastly we have our SIM ejection tool inside the box. And now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's see the Vivo Y18, the aqua way color. And guys, on the bottom we have our headphone jack, USB-C port, main microphone. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray, and now look at the SIM tray on this phone. You should see a triple slot. Yes, it is. So you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. We also have a rubber gasket. On the top we have our speaker. This phone only has a single speaker. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have fingerprint scanner, 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display. On the top we also have a water drop notch, and the bottom chain, even the side bezels, I would say it is really average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y18. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, and now let's see the max brightness. So here's the max brightness looks like, and the display, I would say, looks really bright. So here is the notification panel looks like. We also have a gaming mode, and now let's go to the settings. And now let's see the Android version. About phone, and this phone is running on Android 14, which is a really good thing. Also we have Fun Touch OS version 14. Also we have a Helio G85 SoC. We also have 128 GB of internal storage out of only 110 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's go to the battery section. So in the battery section we don't have any battery health feature on this phone. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This one has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button, and the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And now let's look at the camera. So here's the camera looks like. On the back we have a 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have a depth sensor. So here's the main camera looks like, and here is your portrait mode, and here is the night mode, and here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. In the mode section we also have a 50 megapixel mode. We also have a slow motion. We also have time lapse. We also have pro mode. So all those things, it is available on this phone. Now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone only has a 8 megapixel. So the front facing camera, I would say, it is completely trash. It looks really bad even in this lighting condition. So here's the portrait mode, here is the night mode, and here's the video mode. The front camera also showed only full HD at 30 fps. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this one has a 5000 mAh battery size with 15 watt super fast charging, and combined with the 720p IPS LCD display, and this one should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and a quick review of the Vivo Y18. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Vivo Y18, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.